Ryan Breton has our full forecast between the sun and the low humidity. Not a lot of complaints out there.
No, and it's funny. I heard from some people, I mentioned this last night, over the weekend, who have this week off, and they looked at an app and saw all these thunderstorm icons. And I said, just Monday.
Never trust the app.
Yes. And there are chances later this week, guys, for like pop-up thunderstorms, but it'll be summertime stuff.
Not like yesterday.
Yeah,
right. Good
not
news.
at all. Yesterday was the only real cloudy and wet day of the stretch. Take a look outside. We did find another cloud. It's in level out over Keyser Lake, and you can see there is a little chop on the lake too. There is a bit of a breeze out there this afternoon. That breeze is stronger farther north, especially in northern Maine. So it's a beauty out there for the rest of the day today. Another nice one tomorrow, but it does start to turn stickier and hotter too. But I think the real hot and humid weather is going to be Thursday, Friday into the weekend, and by that point our nights will be a little bit milder too with the higher humidity levels. Here are our temperatures right now. Most places in the lower 80s, 70s up north. Again, the dew point's much lower than this time yesterday. We have some 40s up in the mountains, which is really refreshing stuff, and even in southern coastal Maine, dew points for most of us down below 60, so it feels a lot better than this time yesterday. High pressure bringing us the beautiful weather today. There's a front offshore, and what basically is going to happen is this high weakens a little bit, and then this Bermuda high becomes the main player into the weekend. That will pump in the heat and humidity, but it also holds this front here off to the west. We don't have any fronts that come through in any big way really through the weekend, so that's why it's just random chances for a pop-up shower or storm. Nice for the rest of the afternoon, and then this evening will be pleasant. Still pretty comfortable tonight. It may start to turn a little stickier by morning, but I think most places drop to around 60 by daybreak tomorrow. During the day tomorrow, probably not the crystal clear skies we have today in southern Maine. Some mid and high level clouds mixing with the sun. Still bright and sunny up north. And actually the hottest weather tomorrow is probably going to be in northern Maine. We get to around 90 around Millinocket, Holton, and Caribou. Upper 80s for most inland, and a light southwest to southerly breeze means low to mid 80s at the coastline tomorrow. So there's this Bermuda ridge of high pressure that really starts to establish itself and work farther west Thursday, Friday into the weekend, and that's what will up the humidity levels. Now, given we don't have any big fronts that come through, any showers and storms we see will be air mass driven thunderstorms in the heating of the day, much like Florida. You've got a chance for a pop-up one just about each afternoon. There's at least that chance. Take a look at the dew point trend. Again, pretty comfortable today, a little stickier tomorrow as we get into the low 60s. Then on Thursday, it's more humid, and definitely more humid as it seems now Friday and Saturday, with dew points up around 70. I think we're dry tomorrow, just a small chance for a shower or storm to the west on Thursday, and then scattered ones at best Friday, Saturday through the weekend. So not a guarantee everybody gets rain. In fact, playing this model all the way through Sunday, you see the totals are just varied depending on where anything pops up. So we're not looking at all that much rain overall through the weekend. Seas this afternoon 3 to 5 feet. There is a small craft advisory until 2 o'clock. Southwest wind 10 to 20 knots on the water. So it's beautiful out there this afternoon. Still pretty nice tomorrow, mainly sunny. Hottest inland tomorrow at the coastline. A bit of a sea breeze effect, but it'll be kind of a muggier sea breeze. Hotter, more humid on Thursday. Low 90s inland, right around 90 on Friday. Here are your coastal temperatures, and you see even there we've got a chance to hit 90 on Friday. Mid to upper 80s over the weekend. And again, there are chances for pop-up showers and storms. I think a lot of them, though, are probably going to be inland away from the coast. So some of the driest weather guys probably going to be on the mid-coast. And I got an email from Don Kerrigan last night. He said it's really dry where he is on the mid-coast, and probably not much rain there over the next 7 days.
Yeah, they could certainly use a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.